Hello my dear students, I hope you solve exercise 2.7 question number 1, 2, 3, right? 2 already I solved, only third you have to solve. Next question number 4 exercise 2.7. See, find the difference. What we have to find out? The difference between what? These are very important. Between the greatest and the smallest. How many digit number? 5 digit number. अंडरस्टैंड? हम लोगों को डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना है किसमें से? ग्रेटेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. बट कितने? 5 डिजिट नंबर. ग्रेटेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट 5 डिजिट नंबर में का डिफरेंस हमें निकालना है. मीन्स ऑब्वियसली डिफरेंस मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्शन, बट दैट कैन बी formed from the digits. Digits are given here 6, 2, 8, 5, 0. With the help of these digits, you will have to find out first greatest number and smallest number. Means you will have to make greatest number and 5 digit smallest number from this given number, and then subtract smallest number from greatest number. You will get the difference. Understand? It's very easy. See, first I will write the greatest number. I will form a greatest number. Greatest, obviously greatest means highest. Which one is the highest? 6 or 8 or 5 or 0 or 2? 8. So 8 will become first, then 6, then 5, then 2, and then 0. Is the greatest 5 digit number. किससे बनाया हमने? नीचे वर द गिवन डिजिट्स. जो डिजिट्स हमें मिले हैं, with the help of that digit we made a greatest 5 digit number. Now we want smallest 5 digit number. Smallest, greatest 5 digit number. Smallest 5 digit number from this given number. Already you know very well the greatest 5 digit number is 99999, and smallest 5 digit number is 10,000. Understand? But the digits are given, so you will have to make it from the given digits. Now see, here students are making confusion. इसका उल्टा करते हैं स्टूडेंट. 0 ऐसे लिखते हैं, 0 then 2 then 5 then 6 then 8. But this is 4 digit number. 1, 2, 3 and 4 digit. We are not counting if we wrote a 0 to the left, extreme left. We are not counting this digit. Means this is now 1, 2, 3, 4 digit number. But here in the problem they ask 5 digit number. In such a cases, first you will have to write ascending order, and then if the 0 is number 1, change the number 1 and number 2 portion. Understand? 0 को सेकेंड नंबर पे ढकेलो और सेकेंड को 0 जो भी नंबर है इंटरचेंज करो. मीन्स 2 0. Understand? Now this is the smallest 5 digit number from this given digits. Understand? What I did, I changed the places. Okay. Now it's very easy, right? We'll have to find out the difference. Difference is subtraction. 0 1 sorry, ones place tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Draw the column proper with the help of ruler, with the help of pencil. Write the greatest one first. 86,520 minus 20,568. Find out the difference. Possible? 0 minus 8 possible? No. In such a case, what we are doing? We are borrowing from the neighbor. 2 become 1 and this 0 become 10. Now is it possible? 10 minus 8? Yes. 2. 10 minus 8? 2. Now 1 minus 6 possible? No. So borrow from neighbor. 5 become 4 and this one become 11. Now is it possible? 11 minus 6? Yes. 6 2s are 12. Means 6 plus 5? 11. Understand? Then 4 minus 5 possible? No. So borrow from neighbor. 6 become 5. This 4 become 14. Now 14 minus 5? Yes, possible. 14 minus 5? 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Then 5 minus 0? 5. 8 minus 2? 6. Check whether answer is right or wrong. How we are checking? Subtract plus difference. You will get minuet. 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 6. 6 2s are 12, 2, carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 5, 15. 5, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Means our answer is right. Like this, you have to check orally. Understand? So, answer you have to write. Find the difference between the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers. So, therefore, the difference is 65,952. Understand? Got it? Understand? If you want, you can take a screenshot. Understand? Okay. Now the next one. Fifth. It's a very easy. Fifth and sixth one. See the fifth one. The price of a car is rupees 4,86,798 and that of a van is rupees 3,980. Which cost more and by how much? Which cost is more? Which cost is more? Obviously, the price of a car is more, but by how much? You'll have to subtract. Understand? Right? 10 rupees ka duster, sponge price is 8 rupees. Right? Which costs more and by how much? Obviously, duster cost is more, 10 rupees. By how much it cost is more? In that time क्या करना पड़ेगा? डस्टर की प्राइस 10 रुपीज है, स्पंज की प्राइस 8 रुपीज है. 10 minus 8 करो, subtraction 2. So by 2 rupees the cost of duster is more than the sponge. Likewise, same you have to find out, subtract, and whichever the answer will come, you can write. Understand? So for that you have to write given. Right? The price of a car is this one. So The car's price you can write in given. Price of a car you can write in given, or the cost of a, or you can write the price of a car. Price of a car. What is the price of a car? Given 4,86,798 rupees, 4,86,500, sorry, 798, 798. And the cost, the price of a van, price of a van. What is the price of a van? Rupees 3,980, 3,980. See which places are missing here? 1,000 and 10,000 place. So I put the 0, 0, 0. Understand? Okay. Now what to find out? To find which cost more and by how much? By how much? Simple. Same. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1,000 place, 10,000 place, lakhs place. Right? Here up to lakh. Draw the columns proper with the help of scale, ruler. Right? Lakh, in lakhs column 4,86,798 minus the car of a price of a van 3,980. You will get the how much the cost is more. 8 minus 0 8, 9 minus 8 1, 7 minus 9 possible? No. What we are doing? We are borrowing from neighbor. 6 become 5 and this 7 become 17. So 17 minus 9, 8, 9 plus 8 17. So put comma, then 5 minus 0 5, 8 minus 0 8, 4 minus 3 1. So last answer is, what will be the last answer? Therefore find which cost more and by how much. The cost is more by how much rupees? Rupees 1,85,818. Understand? And 6-1, a man had this one bricks. He used this one bricks to make a house. How many bricks are left now? Simple here also. Subtraction is there. I hope you will do this one. Okay. If any problem, you can send on the group. Okay. Thank you.